Before carbon fiber and extreme torque, there was just an anvil. In 1896, Johann Abt wasn't tuning Audis, he was shoeing horses. By 1967, his descendants swapped hooves for racing wheels, founding ABT. The real game changer hit in 1991 when Hans-Jürgen Abt took over. He built ABT Sportsline, turning a family workshop into a global force. Meanwhile, his brother Christian dominated the racetrack in DTM series. Here is their secret. ABT does not build cars from scratch. They transform Audis and VWs into something angrier and much faster. The RS6 Johann Abt Signature Edition? Only 64 units were ever made. The R8 GTR? Just 25 exist. They vanish through rapid pre-orders. How does a family tuner rival automotive giants? Strategic partnerships. As Audi's official partner, they co-engineer extreme performance on the track. Now they are expanding into electric mobility and Formula E racing. Over 130 years later, the original Blacksmith shop looks to the future. Witness the evolution of speed. Upgrade your legacy with ABT today. The crown jewels of ABT Sportsline, the Legacy Edition trilogy. Not just a sticker package. This is pure engineering obsession. Meet the RS6, RS7, and RSQ8 Legacy Editions. True monsters. Under the hood, a heavily reworked 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine. ABT's Power R Tech replaces factory turbos and intercoolers entirely. The result? A massive 760 horsepower and 980 Newton meters. 0 to 100 in just 3.1 seconds. Top speed, 315 kilometers per hour. Physics is the limit. Extremely rare, 200 units each for the RS6 and RS7. The RSQ8? Only 125 exist. They sell out almost instantly. Notice the carbon bold aesthetic, exposed weave on the lip. A bespoke carbon bonnet insert pulls heat from the V8. Still need more extreme? Meet the ABT XGT track weapon. From shoeing horses in 1896 to roasting supercars in 2026. 130 years of family obsession. Make it faster with ABT.